But because before, this is just a small portion of the Catholic country.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so far so good.
This is the cocoon bush.
What is its purpose?
That's what we use to do the ambush.
Oh.
Now this can wrap around, rub up
It
yourself,
smell like that.
so you smell like the forest.
Surrounding.
So therefore, when the British come near to you, then they would have smell no different thing. This, you know, the old time washing board. This pretty young lady, they don't know her name.
You put the clothes and you do under it.
And you scrub it.
You scrub it down.
Washing machine.
Come from the cane fields, yeah.
So it's like a juice type thing?
Yes, yes, and so on. That's the Ashanti stool.
Whatever.
Now, when you are come, you sit on this. It's from Ghana. This one, you notice, donated by Sir Rollins.
Okay.
This one bigger
Okay.
than that one.
There you go.
This was how the Maroon house usually situated. What we would do now is use the red dirt, dab it.
Watland.
Watland dab. Watland dab. This is one of the musket which was,
The British used to use.
yeah, and it was retrieved from them. But sometime when it gets too old, we try to
Clean it up.
and to have it
Yeah.
a little bit. This, they carry the powder,
Or the gun.
the gold powder in. Or use on the cultivation.
They say that you want to when them say if you water poison, it's sin.
And the same thing.
There's nothing on the floor around on it.
Yeah.
A big blower. He died.
Name?
Rupert Reed. Like how you come inside here now?
Cabin all if I understand, so that don't make sense. New page, me not tell you.
Door of return.
Door of return.
Yeah, you
Ghana.
know the door of no return?
Yeah.
Good.
So this is the door of return.
I am going to set up this over the kindergarten.
Seal ground are regarded as holy ground where revival meeting, obia take place, ritual and them thing, the sacrifice and them thing. The past elders them where do so much for the community, you know. Laxi Samani was a police officer in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, but him doing in service out there now and then and maintain the peace in our village, see me. And then brother Wright, he was a drummer, Obia man, see me. Yeah, I laugh like you love the Obia.
No, it's just what you said, just like don't chill and play, you know? So hold on, so brother, so I'm right name there?
Yeah, brother Wright. Yeah.
Okay.
Basel Watson, he was a herbalist.
think of the Basil what's my why do?
Another one them.
Okay.
And Mr. Anderson or Mr. Foster, he was a judge that sit on the panel for the Maroons. Who if anybody done anything wrong in our village, I want to do sentence. So
And George Petty was the colonel before Mr. Williams?
No, that was Sidney Petty. He was George Petty was one of the man. So in Big Antique he was one of the man back then who would do come and get sentenced a certain amount of lash he wanted to do that, you know? And then Lalita right now she was a nurse for the village. When if any lady have baby and everything, then she will be midwife, cut neighbor chin and then we could recommend the certain to leave. Yeah. I think it's in this child building, you know? I went in gone. So I look up halfway now and then. Look a fun time for the kids them come out and set up bunks about and then look a thing left for them.
Look a party venue too.
And like during 6th of January time, like dignitary would have normally park in that spot.
That's how you park, teacher.
Paka extra man. Run competition.
Tired already? It's called Parade Ground. The Parade Ground was, back then it was used for training ground for the Maroon soldiers. It was a lookout point. 2, 3, it was the era where the catting would normally take place and the court. So the catting court would normally be in the center of the field, but because of to build the school, it was way higher than this. Before you dig down, you could be looking like right around. Looking straight down into African. So because of the school, them have to really dig it down and so forth. And in modern days right now, we use it for the civic. Hello. Can I go show you a cave right now, they call it well. You can see why they want to come mine the capacity too.
Extra British.
But my eye reach out of the video.
You can't go this way. One family.
So Kinda is an African word that means one family. Now, at this year, back then this is where all the war plan and the war schedule would normally plan. All different tribes, them Coromantee, Ashanti and the Congolese, all them would gather under this tree and with the other warriors them and plan out the war, route and all of them things. So that was one of the use back then, and it was also an era where them gather and feast. And up to today day, certain time of the year, 6th of January, the main day, this is where our cultural part of the celebration take place, where a lot of things take place around here. So Obia work and who want proof, who for Obia Changa and who for and all of them things. So this is where all of them things take place. So it sounds like a joke thing, you know? So on that day, certain type of food now I prepare in that little kitchen right here, so it's a fence up there. So we use A black pig have to be black pig, have to be a male pig. Use rooster, yellow yam, male planting. No form of season is used in that pot. No pepper, none of them thing there. Only thing we use is pimento. That's the only thing that
Spice.
get the thing up and running. And then we'll take out a portion of the pork. When it finish, take out a portion, move to Anfertown, that's the old village, and where Captain Kojo, Accompong, Johnny Kwaku Coffee. A lot of warriors bury on that part, so we take out a portion and bring it there to
Honor the ancestors. And do other things.
Yeah, so after that, them share out the rest that remain here to people from outside and whoever in the village that want to take part in the eating and so forth. And then after that, march back from Anfertown, gather, then we do some more ritual, then we move throughout, march throughout the village and stuff, drumming and dancing and anything. Only maroons are allowed to go down there, and not every maroon are really allowed. So yeah, some people are unclean and so much, you know. So that pick and choose. We know them by nature, we know them bloodline and all of them things. So all of them stone everything here, so ancient stone them here. Stone 100 of years. Even mango tree over 400 years old. The last man who come and check it, see a piece dead right on it, so it's what a scientist from UN come and cut off a little piece of it. Say I can go testing, and he can go testing, he say over 400 and odd years old, and when he cut it, the piece is just dead. So here, peace cave, a sign pointing toward the peace cave. Peace cave was where peace treaty was signed between Maroon and the British, Captain Kojo and the Maroon child, John Gotchi from England, Francis Sagat from England. And it was a blood treaty that each of the leaders would have to cut their palm, pour the blood into the calabash, mix it with rum, and then drink it. You know? The treaty stand because if it was for the thing that the British then bring come on paper, it wasn't really relevant. Because you know back then our foreparents and our ancestors couldn't read English. So when them come with it, our ancestors them not agree with that because them not understand it. So Captain Kojo said if we don't really want peace, then let's do a blood treaty, and that's what make irrelevant. Because even right now to today day, you have some clause from the treaty where are really relevant. Because even one say, I think 9 or something say every slave that run off on the plantation, Maroon should capture them and bring them back to the thing. So yeah, a few of them depending when don't really make no sense.
Bank. Bank. Maroon Bank. Accompong.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.